Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy coins using the Bonkbot on Telegram. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need to initialize your Bonkbot. So basically, you will need just to go to the bonkbot.io website, and after that, you will need just to have your Telegram link or the Telegram link of the bot. After that, you will need just to send a message to the bot and it will take you to this page. You will find this message that will be automatically sent and then you will need just to click on start, and after that you will be able or you are ready to go to use Bonkbot. And to do so, you will need just to go here to this menu and start using any action that you would like. Either you can buy, sell and manage, help, etc. So basically to buy coins, obviously you will need just to click on the buy. You click on buy and you go down. Here we will find here, and basically you will need just to have a token address so you can be able to buy it, and basically it will be showing as follow. You click on buy, you add a token address that you will need just to send in the messages here, so for example like that, and basically this is the address is not okay, or and you can just be able to buy how many tokens that you would like by just clicking on buy one sol, etc, solanas, etc. And after that you will have your balance that will be refreshed after clicking refresh if you have both anything. And of course you can start closing your menus if you are ending using them, and after that you will find your balance will be displayed here. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.